Well, it is Memorial Day. We got some great weather, and these birds are flying together. It's taken about a week and a half, but they are really getting out and flying for quite a while now. They're starting to kid up a little bit, and it's been really neat to watch them fly. I've left the loft open for quite a while today, let them have a bath, and just let them kind of come and go today. There's more up there. I think another week or two maximum they'll be really flying well. Oh, right in the sun. There's more there. Hopefully I can get them out on a couple of road tosses here soon. I guess that's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.